This video will demonstrate the wiring procedure for Potter's flow switch bypass switch and how it connects to an alarm initiating device, a fire alarm control panel, and a notification appliance. On the back of the flow switch bypass switch, you will notice a pair of blue wires, a pair of yellow wires, and a black and red wire. These will all be used to connect an alarm initiating device to a fire alarm control panel. You will also notice an orange and brown wire. These will be utilized if using or connecting to a notification appliance. First, connect the red and black leads of the flow switch bypass switch to the auxiliary location on the fire alarm control panel. Make sure to observe polarity when connecting these to the fire panel. Next, connect either one of the yellow wires to the side of the water flow zone or monitoring module of the fire alarm control panel. Connect the other yellow wire to one of the normally open switch contacts on the flow switch. The other side of the water flow zone or monitoring module will connect directly to the common contact on the same water flow switch. This will connect directly to the fire panel and does not connect to the flow switch bypass switch. Install the end-of-line resistor from the fire panel monitoring module to the common and open flow switch contacts. Connect either of the blue wires to the unused common switch on the contact on the flow switch. Connect the other blue wire to the unused normally open contact on the flow switch. If you are not connecting a notification appliance, the wiring is complete. The following steps are only for systems where a 120 VAC indicating appliance is operated directly from the flow switch. Connect the hot or line side of the AC supply to the orange wire on the flow switch bypass switch. Connect your brown wire to one of your contacts on the notification appliance. Connect your line on the AC power supply to the other terminal on the notification appliance. This completes the wiring portion of the installation process for the Potter flow switch bypass switch. For more detailed instructions, please visit the product page for the flow switch bypass switch at our website at www.pottersignal.com.